Hello, welcome to our channel, and our today video is about solving linear equations using matrix inversion method. For example, we have two linear equations, x minus 3y is equal to 0 and 2x plus y is equal to 7. We will solve these linear equations by using matrix inversion method. First, we are going to write these equations in the form of matrices. We can write them in the form of matrices as 1 minus 3 2 1. Here is 1, a constant term with this x, and this term is minus 3, this one is 2, and we can say here is also 1. So we have 1 minus 3 2 1. Then we have second matrix xy, that is equal to a third matrix 0 7. So we can write these equations in the form of matrices as Ax is equal to B. This is matrix A, this is matrix X, and this is matrix B. Now we are going to solve these linear equation using matrix inversion method. By solving these matrices, we will find the values of X and the value of Y. Now if we have three matrices Ax is equal to B, if we take the inverse of A and multiply that inverse on both the sides of the equations, this A inverse will cancel out with this matrix A, and we will have X is equal to A inverse of B. This way we can solve these matrices and find the values of X and Y. So we have matrix X is equal to A inverse of B. Now first we need to find the value of A inverse, and according to matrices we know that the inverse of any matrix is equal to adjoint of that matrix divided by determinants of that matrix. Here the inverse of matrix A will be equal to adjoint of A divided by A determinants, and adjoint of any matrix we just replace the diagonal terms. Here is 1 and here is also 1, so we have 1 1, and we change the signs of this second diagonal. This is minus 3, so this becomes plus 3, and this is 2, this becomes minus 2. And the determinants of any matrix we know are equal to multiplying the diagonal terms, then we place a minus sign, and then we multiply the second diagonal term. So we have 1 multiplied by 1, the first diagonal terms, then we place a minus sign, and then we multiply 3 with 2. So multiplying 3 with 2 we will have 6, and 6, this is minus, and this is also minus. Multiplying minus 2 with minus 3 we will have plus 6, and we will add 1 with 6, so we will have 7. Now the determinants of matrix A are equal to 7, and the determinants of this matrix are not equal to 0, which means the solution is possible. If the determinant of any matrix are equal to 0, then dividing adjoint of A divided by 0, the inverse is not possible, because dividing by 0 the solution is not possible. So here we have the determinants is equal to 7, so we can solve this, and we have A inverse is equal to 1 3 minus 2 divided by 1 divided by 7. So we can say A inverse is equal to 1 over 7 into 1 3 minus 2 1. Now we are going to substitute the value of matrix X, A inverse, and matrix B in this equation. So we will have matrix X, which is xy is equal to A inverse 1 over 7 1 3 minus 2 1, and this is matrix B 0 7. Now we are going to multiply the A inverse with matrix B, and here first we will multiply these two matrices, and the multiplication of these two matrices is possible because there are two columns in the first matrix and two rows in the second matrix. If the number of columns in the first matrix are equal to the number of rows in the second matrix, then the solution and multiplication is possible. Now we are going to multiply the first row with this first column. We will have 1 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by 0, then we add place a plus sign, and then we multiply 3 with 7. So we will have 1 multiplied by 0 plus 3 multiplied by 7. And now we are going to multiply the second row with this first column again. So we will have minus 2 multiplied by 0 and 1 multiplied by 7. Multiplying 1 with 0, we will have 0. Multiplying minus 2 with 0, we will have 0. And multiplying 7 with 3, we will have 21. And 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. And this 1 over 7 will come here. So we have 1 over 7 into matrix and 21 divided and 7. Now we are going to multiply this 1 over 7 with this matrix, and we know multiplying this term with this, we will multiply each term. So we will have 21 divided by 7, and then we will have 7 divided by 7. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3, and 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. So we have the corresponding value for x is 3, and the corresponding value for y is 1. So we have x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. So finally we have found the values for x and y by solving these matrices and linear equation using matrix inversion method. That's it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos.